Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Talk Guys. So today I'm gonna show you how to download Reels without the watermark. So we're gonna choose this video, and what you want to do is click on the arrow button right there and select copy link. Then go to Google and search for Instagram Reel downloaders. I suggest this one, SSS Instagram. However, just for your information, there are a lot of ads, and when I say a lot, I mean there are quite a lot of ads that are incorporated with these third-party applications. However, here's what you need to do. You go to SSS Instagram, and then what you want to do here is you want to scroll down actually here to click download. Then again, another ad, and finally we will be able to download the file. So it's downloading the file, and once the file is downloaded, we'll be able to check it out, and then immediately the file is there without the Instagram watermark. And you can do whatever you want with this now. You can put it in a video that you're creating, or you can even share it on your page if you don't want that watermark or the Instagram logo on the video. So this works on any Instagram Reel video that you want to download, and the longer the file, of course, the longer the time it takes to download it. But yeah, there are other available third-party downloaders out there, but this SSS Instagram is by far the most effective one as of now. But yeah, there are a lot of ads. And that's it for today's video. We hope this was able to help you out, and of course, if it did, please do hit the like and the subscribe button, and we'll see you again on the next one, only here on Talk Guy.